Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Stephanie, joined by Segundo.
Give people what they want. You already know.
Our first guest appearance on The Good, The Bad, and The Trendy, the show where we try out new, strange, and interesting products. Today, we are testing out a wax kit. This is the first ever waxing situation that I've ever been in. I've never waxed anything. Have you ever waxed anything?
Yeah, kind of.
What do you...
I've had somebody use the little strips on my back before, like just little wax strips.
So this isn't one of those ones where you have a strip. It's like you put on the wax and you pull the wax off. So this is the Bliss Poetic Wax straight from the spa hair removal kit. This includes the little blue cup of wax that we're about to microwave. It also has 4 little sticks, which you will use for application. It also has this little container of pre and post waxing oil. So, are you ready to do this?
Not at all.
Because, okay, so I have grown out my armpit hairs for the past 2 weeks. So I don't have that much hair, to be honest. So I did it for 2 whole weeks.
It's been growing out all my body hair for roughly the last, since as long as I hit puberty, so.
Well, we'll figure it out. Let's just pop this into the microwave now. We got the wax, it's melted. I think it took longer than 5 minutes, but just a little bit longer maybe. It is the consistency of thick honey, which is what they said. So now Segundo is gonna apply this to my armpit.
To your armpits,
okay.
Let's do it.
So you need to do it for the armpit with the hairs. Apply it with the hairs, and then you need to take it off again. Something you apply it down, and then you need to take it off.
The opposite way.
Opposite way.
All right, here we go.
Apply it with it.
With the grain.
Yeah.
Of the hair. Oh wow.
Okay.
All right. Oh, that's got you fully covered with your little 6 armpit hairs. All of them are good.
Okay, really?
Oh.
Okay, well. Oh my. Okay, you could go up. Go up beside.
Go up?
Oh my god, just make it one long thing. Okay, so we need to wait until it's dry to the touch, or it's like
I'm so sorry. It's gonna hurt so bad to take off.
Okay.
Oh fuck. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, look at your hairs on there, that's gross! Is that your hair? Yep, that's just nasty.
Ah! It didn't pull. Oh, we didn't wait long enough, dude.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, dude, some of them are bleeding.
Oh. This is like
A bunch of hairs.
no strip satisfaction, to the max.
Yeah,
dude.
I never get no strip satisfaction.
Wait a second.
My no strips always come out hella weak.
I love this.
Let me see. Ugh, I don't love it.
This is the result of the first run through. It got a lot of hairs up here, so I think what happened was we didn't let it dry for long enough, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Because it got the ones that were up here, which I think you applied first,
Yeah,
and then you went down.
Grain, yeah.
Man, why are you making that sound?
Boom, boom, boom. I'm trying to make sure I get all the little hairsies.
Are you going low enough?
Yeah, I'm going low enough.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
And now just swirl it. There we go.
There we go. I got it this time with little spider legs though.
It's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna let that go. Should we just do both?
Yeah, let's go. I'm
too?
gonna run the other side. Just lift them arms up. Let's go.
I should have not worn this shirt today.
Welcome to Candy Rain Spa. This is the stinky sock smelling wax special. Oh, look at that. This is the worst position ever to do this in too.
Okay, you don't have to be. You can change your position.
I'm already committed. Can't change it now. It's rule 1 of the Candy Rain Spa is when we commit to something, we see it through. There we go. Oh, got on your shirt though.
It's okay. This might be the weirdest thing that we've ever done together. Do you think this is the weirdest thing we've ever done?
By far. Every single time that one of these little cameras that you own is on my face, it's about to be the weirdest day of the week, so. Are you ready? Oh. Okay. Oh, pretty much got. It's like 3 more went.
Those ones do not want to give up, but
No,
it did not hurt. Okay, this one.
Yeah, it's weird how your pores are in the thing. You can see the detailing of your pores in it. It's gross.
Oh, okay, that one was a little bit more. That one didn't even.
No, dude.
I think I didn't wait long enough again, but definitely got some.
can't even tell really, but yeah.
Yeah, I can't tell. I really don't have that many hairs. Like
No, she had like 5 to begin with.
One time I counted on this side. On this side, I think I have like 30
real
hairs. And then on this side, I think I have 50.
It's a real armpit right there.
Oh, do you want to do your armpits?
I'm not scared of anything.
You have a lot of hair, though.
What does that mean?
I think it would hurt. It would pull. Like, it would really pull the hair.
You have to just give it a big old...
Okay, let's do yours now. How about that?
Okay.
Okay. No, not like that. Stop.
Oh, right there, look, all this?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's good to go, that's
Yeah.
right.
Do you want to do it like here or like down here?
Just here, this part, these tufts that like come out my shirt.
Like end where this weird lady starts?
Yeah.
So, but that goes up into your neck though. So.
Like just here, bro. Just like do it right here.
Okay. Should I just do one big one?
Yeah, do a big one. Just run.
I should have done it from the other side since I'm left-handed.
That already hurts. You pulled the hair.
Oh!
You pulled a little hair.
Sorry!
Oh, dude, this is gonna suck. I can already tell. You
Oh,
pulled hair while applying it. And I was like,
shit.
Oh, that felt terrible already.
okay. I think I need to use both hands to do this because I have to pull it up. So. I put a lot of wax on here.
Oh, it already hurts.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I don't want to do it. Okay. Okay, what if I just try to do one half of it?
All right, just go. God's plan. Oh! It hurts so bad! Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh!
I'm so sorry right now.
Woo!
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, let's get it.
Okay.
So slow. Why is it so slow? Oh! I'm Johnny Knoxville. Welcome to Jackass. Oh. Okay.
Okay, that last part is almost over. You want to just pull it off?
Yeah.
Okay, pull it off.
Oh. Oh my God! Look how much hair is on that.
It's like I can't get a hold of it because you're sweating. So I can't even get a hold of it.
All right, chill. Oh, hold on. Oh my God, dude.
I feel so
No, it's
bad
good.
right now.
It's chill. It's good. It's Gucci. Let's go, baby. My chest is next. I'm down. Let's get it. Woo! YOLO, student athlete. Corinthians 3:16. Let's get it, baby. I don't know even what that is. All right.
Okay.
Student athlete. YOLO.
Oh God. Okay. Are you gonna do this really?
Yeah. For the people.
Okay.
Oh, it just broke it.
Yeah. Oh, because you're breaking it. I can get it.
This looks like when you put a lollipop under, you drop a lollipop under the couch and you try to pet it out.
It is a lot on there. I hope that the
Right.
camera is picking this up.
Bro, it's so much.
Oh.
Why did I have so much hair? It's felt. Ugh. It looks like blue suede, bro.
I'm gonna put this stuff on your back for you.
Alright.
Which is the Bliss Your Situation Down Below Hair Softening Oil and Bump Minimizer, but you can use it for anywhere. It's just supposed to be like I think a pre and post treatment thing, and it's supposed to help prevent like ingrown hairs and stuff. So, could you imagine doing this to yourself in like a bikini area?
Oof.
Your taint?
No way, bro. No more waxing, doggy. Let's go. Shout out to Nair. A ride for you. You don't hurt. Shout out to Razor Blades. Y'all's tight. Never again, bro. No more wax.
Okay, I'm really sorry about that.
YOLO. Let's go. You're forgiven. We're still
We're
friends.
still friends? Okay.
We're still friends.
When I started applying, I was just gonna do like one little section, but then I saw like side hairs were sticking to it. So I thought, okay, if I put it all on, then I can pull it in one motion, but that was not the case because there's one area where the wax was very thin, and so I had to like scrape it up first. Anyways, I clearly do not know how to wax, and I really apologize to anybody out there who was like super cringing, and I especially apologize to you because that sucked.
Eh.
But it did get, it worked.
My back looking good, so.
I mean, it got a lot of the hair out.
Ooh.
It's very smooth. And I feel like for me, I just didn't let it dry long enough. I think wax is the kind of thing where it's very trial and error until you understand when you should pull it. Because I felt like it wasn't that tacky, but we should have definitely waited longer. Do you think that this product works though?
Yeah, it works.
It does. It
like
functions?
delivering misery. If that's like what it's trying to do, is like spread pain and destroy happiness and pull lovely little hairs out of people's bodies who deserve to be there. Yeah, that product works for that. But
would you say that this product then, in terms of the good, the bad, and the trendy, I have good, okay, bad. What would you say?
good. I mean, it worked at waxing, right? That's what it does.
Yeah. Okay, so
it is a great torture tool. We brought it back from the 1400s, and there were a lot of heretics, and we had to do this.
So based on what Segundo was saying, and I agree, this product is good.
It's good.
All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. It really took a turn for the worse, which I wasn't expecting.
My back hurts.
Is it still hurt?
It's a little sore.
It's a little sore. We'll rub more oil on it. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe below, come join the sisterhood, and definitely check out Segundo on Instagram.
Yo, if you enjoyed this video, find my PayPal and buy me some lotion. Send me like 20 bucks. My back hurts. I want some aloe vera.
All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.